Alright folks, a quick review for impact driver DeWalt. This is the model DCF809. Now the big pro for this DeWalt is the first one is the price. You can get it like $17 on Amazon. In Europe you can get like 60 euros. Second big advantage I think is the brushless motor, which is huge. You have like 50% torque and obviously double lifespan of your motor. And the third will be the pro I think for this model will be the torque. The torque is around 190 Newton meters, which is a lot, trust me. Now obviously this model has this is the entry level for DeWalt tools. 18 volts system. Obviously it has a new generation of LED light. This is for your bits. You just insert your bit and that's all. Yeah, you don't have to push it something which is stuck. If you want to unlock, just push it forward and then you can take off your bit. Now this is the entry level. As I told you, the price is around $70 on Amazon. Also you can get for this price the battery. Just adding like $20 you can get the charger, the bag and the battery. Now this is the battery. This one capacity is 1.5 amps. I would go for, if you have some home projects, home DIY projects, do it yourself, yeah, you can take like 1.5 or 2 amps, which is which will be good for you, and I mean a lot, yeah. If you do have some projects when you, I don't know, for your car lug nuts or something like that, I would recommend to go for the 5 amps, which obviously is much more expensive than the 2 amps. And for example, this one costs around $60 or 50 euros, which is a lot. It's almost the same price as a tool. But if you do have some projects which involve your car, I would go for the 5 amps at least, or maybe 4, because with the high capacity of your battery, you get the maximum torque from the tool. So this is obviously the big advantage. And when you have like 5 amps, you can get the maximum from your DeWalt. Now, as I told you, this is the entry level. And obviously this is for most for your, basically for your home projects. About the chargers, for example, mine is DCB115. This is the European version. It has 230 volts and the output of 4 amps. So for example, this battery will be full in around 1 and 20 minutes, I think. Obviously, if you have something smaller capacity battery like 1.5 or 2 amps, I think it's around 20 or 30 minutes you can get your full capacity of the battery. So this is my charger DCB115. There's like DCB110, 111, 112, depends on your requirements, what do you need. The maximum I think this 115, which is the 4 amps. So yeah, just choose whatever you want and what requirements are for you. Another question we should talk about is on this market you can see there's a lot of fakes, like not real DeWalt impact tools. Now, how can you define which one is the real and which one is the fake? I would go for all the mark signs on here on the right side. Obviously, you should see the marks where you can see the serial number, for example, in here. And you can see on a bottom, there's a QR code that sends you to the website, official DeWalt website, to get your 3 years of free warranty, which the real DeWalt tool has. Now the fake, they don't have something like that, like QR codes, any serial number. Even in here, you can see this is the date when the tool was made. It's a 2/23 and the week is number 39. This is the number of the week. So this is those are the two big signs that you can find on a real impact driver DeWalt. I mean the QR code and the serial number. So be careful about that. As on the market, you can see a lot of fakes tools, which is obviously upsetting for you. Now, another sign which is fake or not, I mean the color, the real color is the yellow, it's much more brighter, and the fake one is the yellow which goes to the red one. So yeah, you can see even. And obviously the weight, the real DeWalt 2 will be heavier. Now this one has around 2.5 pounds or 1 kilo. And the fake one will be less one, and you can feel it with your hand when you take it. Yeah, and that's all. Yeah, folks. Please comment below if you do have experience with this model DCF809. What's your experience? What you think about? Please comment below. And that's all. Cheers, guys. Thank you. Bye.